Abdullah Kamani has been to meet them.
A rapturous welcome for one of Pakistan's most controversial clerics. Within a year of creating his party, Qadir Rizvi has become a national political figure. His popularity, though, is based on support for another man. Mumtaz Qadri shot dead a politician trying to reform Pakistan's blasphemy laws. He was executed by the government, but here he's regarded as a hero. In many ways, this is an incredible sight. A mass rally in the heart of Pakistan, a political party whose main inspiration is a convicted killer. Rizvi leads a chant, "Until the end of time, we'll remember your name, Mumtaz Qadri." Many have expressed outrage he's been allowed to take part in the elections.
हैरानगी वाली बात नहीं है, पाकिस्तान तो बना ही इस्लाम के नाम पर है और जिन लोगों ने पाकिस्तान बनाया उन्होंने गाजी मुमताज जैसे अमल करने वाले इल्मुद्दीन का मुकदमा भी लड़ा.
Your platform is about stricter punishment for people committing blasphemy in Pakistan. But in Pakistan, there's already the death penalty for people who are committing blasphemy. So what more do you really want?
यही चाहते हैं कि वो उस कानून को मौसर बनाया जाए और उसके खिलाफ जितनी भी साजिशें हो रही हैं उनको खत्म किया जाए.